Would you brush your teeth with toothpaste made from hair? Yes, hair? Sounds crazy, right? But scientists in London may have just created the future of dentistry using the same protein that makes up our hair and nails. Our teeth are protected by enamel, the strongest material in the body. But once enamel is gone, it can't grow back. Fluoride toothpaste helps slow damage, but it can't repair what's lost. So researchers at King's College London turned to something unusual: keratin, the protein found in hair, nails, and skin. They discovered that when keratin is made into a paste and touches saliva, it forms a crystal-like layer. This layer attracts minerals like calcium and phosphate, basically rebuilding a protective shield, almost like real enamel. Even better, it didn't just slow tooth decay in tests, it stopped it completely. The best part? Keratin can be taken from waste materials like wool or even human haircuts, making it sustainable and natural. Scientists say this new toothpaste or even a special dental gel could be available in just a few years. Imagine brushing your teeth and actually repairing them every single day. So here's the big question for you. If it really worked, would you use toothpaste made from hair? Let me know in the comments below.